Hello and welcome to the Kawasaki 2021 Model Year Studio. My name is Frank Weeink, and along with Martin Lambert from Kawasaki Motors Europe, we are going to walk you through Kawasaki's new models for the 2021 season. We're at a special location to give you first sight of some significant new motorcycles to the new Kawasaki range, and to explain some of the key features and innovations of each model. Let's talk about one of the most important new models, the 2021 Kawasaki Z H2 SE.
It's really the head of the Z family. That's its job in life, and it's, we think, the king of the super nakeds. It is an incredible machine, and it's got a huge level of electronic rider aids, but in its heart is a wonderful, strong, muscular engine.
We'll talk about these rider aids later on, Martin, but first let's listen to Kinuhata-san of Kawasaki Heavy Industries in Japan and hear what he has to say about this new model.
For 2021, we will introduce a new top-of-range model for our world-famous Z brand, the Z H2 SE. Since the first Kawasaki Z in 1972, Kawasaki has been a leader in the naked bike sector, and this new high-specification naked machine reinforces our place as a leader and innovator. With its unique balanced supercharged engine, the power, performance, and the poise of the ZH2 makes it the standout bike in its class. Now for 2021, we take the ZH2 concept to the next level with the introduction of KECS. This allows us to offer so-called skyhook technology for the first time. The skyhook concept imagines a hook supporting the sprung weight of the ZH2 SE and modulates the damping force, so that the wheel tracks the dips and bumps encountered while maintaining the motorcycle's composure with minimal disturbance. Additionally, the high-quality specification for 2021 also includes Brembo steel brake calipers along with Brembo master cylinder and steel mesh braided brake lines. With the class-leading performance of the ZH2 SE, it's good to know you also have high-quality brake components. Other rider-centric features include an easy-to-read TFT meter panel and the ability to connect your smartphone to your Z by downloading Kawasaki's Radial ZZ app. Using the app, you can change suspension settings, revise your rider mode setting, and many other functions, as well as reviewing previous rides you have made, along with fuel consumption figures and other interesting statistics. The Z family has always led from the front. Now with skyhook technology, the Z H2 SE pushes the boundaries of the naked bike segment to new places, delivering a unique riding and ownership experience. Thank you, and let the good times roll.
Let's take one step back to the engine, which looks quite impressive.
The engine is a 998cc four-cylinder water-cooled unit with that integrated, balanced supercharger. It is an integral part of the engine, and it is one of the fundamental parts that sets this machine apart in that super naked category. We create the supercharger ourselves. The design, the manufacturer is all in-house. It's our kind of corporate strength. We use materials from the aerospace division, we use help from the gas turbine division, so it's an incredible engine that can offer very docile maneuverability at low speeds and at low revs, and then a really strong mid-range because of the supercharger and a high top-end rush. But it's also equipped with a lot of electronic rider aids that help you tune the machine to yourself, to personalize it, an up-down quick shifter, and also the convenience of electronic cruise control. So it does have a wide range of facilities and rider aids to really fine-tune the machine to yourself. Tsugomi is basically a balance between technology and design. For every technological advance, there is also a styling or design gesture. Tsugomi is the driving force of Z and unique to Kawasaki. Okay, to start with the front, let's talk about the father of Tsugomi, Shunji Tanaka. His idea was that the front of the machine should have a face. So you can see the face in the headlamp style. The Kawasaki River Mark, that's only put on the most prestigious machines from Kawasaki's.
The middle part, the bulk of the beast. Talk about the beast.
Well, that is the very muscular heart of the machine. That's the mass centralization. If you think about it more like an animal about to pounce, that's that middle section. So the broad shoulders, the muscular stance. The rear is that suggestion of performance. The tail, which is a very sharp tail, a very sleek design.
You'll have to tell us about skyhook technology. Is it similar to what we see in cars?
Skyhook is quite rare in the motorcycle world. Easiest way to explain it, I suppose, is you could imagine a hook coming down from the sky and suspending the main part of the motorcycle. Then as the motorcycle goes along, the attitude of the motorcycle doesn't really change much, and it allows the suspension and the wheels to move up and down in the deviations of the road. For the Z H2 SE, it's a semi-active suspension, so that's similar to the Versys, but it's tuned specifically for Z H2 SE.
Martin, I seem to remember a kind of spectacular launch of the Z H2 in Las Vegas.
Yes, we went to Las Vegas Motor Speedway and gave people a chance to ride Z H2 on a banked NASCAR oval. Also for 2021, it has a new Brembo package. It has the Stylmer calipers, braided steel brake lines, Brembo master cylinder. So the level of braking technology has also moved forward for 2021. Electronic rider aid, Brembo package with the Stylmer calipers, shower technology with Skyhook, and the general styling look and feel of this machine. It is the range leader for sure in the Z family.